What is up? This is your boy Mario with See Through Power Wash. Today, we got about 3 jobs to do today. We got one side of a house to do. We got a whole house to do. And we got a driveway and windows to do. So just hop in the truck with your boy. You already know, take a ride along with me. I'm going to get with y'all in a minute. Alright guys, we arrived to the first house for the day. 2-story house. Pretty much want to do the back side. If you can look, it is very dirty. Very dirty. So, you know how we get down, baby. Finna go ahead and get stuff set up so I can go ahead and knock this out. Get the footage for you guys and get on to the next spot. I'll get with y'all in a minute. Alright guys, we at house number 2. Sorry I couldn't get no footage for y'all like that. My phone had said it ran out of storage space, so I had to free up a little space, but house number 2 is dirty too. It is pretty dirty. The back side is a little dirty too, but everything else is pretty much, it's not too bad, but it's still dirty. So I'm finna go and wrap this up. Well, not wrap it up. I'm finna go and pull my hoses, get everything unloaded, get it ready to go. Got the water running now, filling up the tank. I'm gonna get with y'all in a minute. Choo. all finished up on the second house. Let me try to make my way to the back. Pretty good turnout. So what had happened was I ended up, something wrong with my software system. So it just lost power on me. So what I did was, I think I got a leak or something. So what I ended up doing, I actually started downstream. So take a look. This is the back. I'm gonna go show you the side that was messed up. But yeah, I love downstreaming, man. You can't go wrong with it. Remember all that organic growth. All of it pretty much gone. Ain't no pretty much, it's gone. Your boy washed that thing. Yes, he did. But yeah, like I was saying, I love downstream. It's way better, time efficient. You can't beat it. You can't beat it with a stick. But yeah, let y'all take a look at it. Yeah, she cleaned up real good. She cleaned up real good. But yeah, better go get me a lunch. Head to the third house, man. Keep riding with me, I'll get with y'all. Okay guys, I'm sorry I wasn't able to get the footage for you guys for the third house, which was the window clean and the driveway. My phone was completely out of whack. I had no storage space and I did not know that. I thought I freed up space earlier, but I guess I didn't. I hit the record button, I went to work. 15 minutes in, man, it said it did not record, and it said my storage space was too full. I was mad, but it's all good. I pulled up on the house. The guy, he actually painted his house. It was a DIY. He did pretty good too, I'm not gonna lie. But he painted all the windows. He had paint on every last window. And that was, oh my gosh. But what I did was I had got a solution to remove the paint from the windows, and then I went to doing the regular window cleaning service that I offer. The driveway, it was nothing. It was just one little oil spot. So, you know, I put a little degrease on it, got it up out of there in no time. So all in all, it turned out well. He was happy. I was happy. Yeah. Yeah. But thank you guys for taking the ride along with your boy. I really, really, really appreciate it. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button so you can catch every video that I drop. Once again, thank you guys so much. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Holla back at your boy. I get with y'all later. Cheers.